This is a purple rumped sunbird, and it's absolutely a delight to bird watchers due to its vibrant colors and dynamic behavior. This is a tiny yet striking bird native to South Asia. I've captured this at my farmhouse that is 60 kilometers from Bangalore. It's my favorite. They thrive here in the lush green nature and often knock at the windows from sunrise till sunset. This is a male one, and males are very eye catching with their iridescent purple backs, bright green crowns, and bright yellow belly, making them the most colorful residents of gardens and forests. You will often hear their high pitched calls before spotting them. They live up to 4 to 6 years and they are prolific breeders, nesting 2 to 3 times in a year. That means they would have 15 to 20 breeding cycles in their lifespan. Females are less flamboyant and sport a charming olive green and pale yellow combination with a distinct white throat. Not just beautiful, but they are vital pollinators. Next time you spot one, take a moment to appreciate their ecological importance.